Now, as has always been the norm in the past 17 editions, MTN Mobile Money is going to support the marathon in regard to the payment of the kits. Yeah, we are saying that the past 2 years have been very difficult for this country. You know, the lockdowns, income levels have been really impacted, and we are saying what an opportunity to encourage customers to use MTN Mobile Money and get huge discounts of up to 50%. I think that is very generous, I must say. So what we are going to do as MTN Mobile Money is that we have 4 races. The 5-kilometer race and the 10-kilometer is going to be billed at 40,000 if you're paying cash. But we are saying cash is not good. Can we go cashless? Can you do it using MTN Mobile Money? At that rate, we are going to pay 30,000, so that's a 25% discount, as opposed to 40,000. We also have the 21-kilometer and the 42-kilometer race, and that is coming with the biggest discount of 50%. We are saying the customer will be able to pay 20,000 shillings as opposed to 40,000. So this year we are saying we are giving bigger discounts as MTN Momo, and I think this is it's one of the ways we can say thank you to the customers that have been using mobile money, but also to attract those who have not been using mobile money, to say it's an opportunity to start from here, to say you are giving you 50% discount to pay using MTN Momo.
The MTN Kampala Marathon is supported by Huawei, Vision Group, Stanbic Bank, Renzori Mineral Water, NBS Sports, MTN Mobile Money Limited,
and MTN.